Smoked brisket tacos for the win, baby. Let's get it. So remember like a year ago when Chipotle had those smoked brisket tacos on the menu for like 2 months and all of a sudden they just took it off the menu? Man, I remember walking in there and I was pissed. Like, yo, why the hell did they take this off the menu? Them joints was crazy. So I decided to finally make my own, baby. Let's get it. Dump those charcoals in the smoker as well as our flavored charcoal. Go ahead and put a whole damn log in there. I use about 2 of those, but do not relax too much because you gotta spray that joint every 45 minutes. When it's 6 hours in and the temperature's at 205, go ahead and wrap that joint for 2 hours. Go ahead and chop up our red onions and our cilantro so that they're nice and small. 2 hours later, when it's been resting, it should be oozing out just like that, like a gym rat. Look how juicy that joint is, bro. That joint is crazy. Cut them things up in small pieces and it's time to assemble our taco. Add the meat, the red onions, the cilantro. Don't forget the corn, the cheese. This is my Chipotle go-to, by the way. My mild salsa, the sour cream, and the white rice. And top it off with some lime juice. And here you got some beautiful smoked brisket tacos for the win. Somebody tell Chipotle to put them joints back on the menu because I prefer to just walk in line and get it myself. But it was still dope to make by myself, man. Like and follow for more content, baby. Let's get it. Hey, but time out. My aunt's display was way over my joint. I ain't even gonna hold you.